girls. And boys. So different, and yet not that different at all. Have you ever noticed that couples even start to look like each other after a while? Stay tuned for couple pranks. Jess and Mike. Mike's manners could really use an upgrade. This'll teach him to keep his mouth closed.
Where are you going?
What's up with you today?
She's being weird again.
Have you ever noticed that no matter how early you set your alarm, you still end up missing exactly 10 minutes to finish getting ready?
Wow, she's gonna get premature wrinkles concentrating that hard. She'll thank me later for this.
Oh no! It's all ruined! Now I'm gonna wash everything off and start over. Oh, I know exactly what I'm gonna do to that buffoon. Grab some clear nail polish and use it to paint the soap of the object of your annoyance. Make sure you don't miss a spot and get every last inch. If I'm gonna be late, I'm not gonna be late alone. Yes, Ashley, cover the whole thing in nail polish to be sure. This is gonna be so worth it. Hey, Mike, looks like you're about ready for our surprise.
Hey, what's wrong with this soap? Why won't it foam? Come on! I think I know who's behind this. Just you wait, Ashley.
Did you wash your hands, Mikey?
No, and I think you know why.
This is what happens when you don't check the weather before going on a date. Honey, you're shaking. Are you cold?
Oh man, I'm freezing.
I see. Well, good thing I came prepared.
That's hilarious, Ashley.
I can finally try out my new makeup. Oh no! How did I forget Mike's birthday? So what if this was the last cake left in the store? I'll just douse it with some whipped cream. And presto! Now for some sprinkles. I think there's some candles left from last year. It's okay, they're just 3. Matches his emotional age. Come on, old candles, light already. Last one. And our last-minute cake is ready for the birthday boy. Hope this works. Happy birthday, babe.
Babe?
Come on, make a wish.
Okay, I hope Ashley… Hey, that wasn't my wish.
I didn't sign up for a food fight.
Don't worry, I signed you up.
Bam!
Take that.
And that!
Ashley, you didn't even try.
I did too. Just try the damn cake. Aw, just look at those 2 lovebirds. Maybe Ashley should have just fessed up from the beginning. Yeah, that could have prevented this whole mess. Mike would understand and forgive her, right? Well, there's no point in crying, guys. Come on, wish for better luck covering up your faux pas next time and blow out those candles. Ooh, ice cream. Just what I've been craving. He'll never offer, but I'm not exactly counting on his altruism. Ben, you're so handsome today, that blue sweater. Come here. Wow, that was like taking candy from a baby. Watch out for brain freeze, Natalie. And Ben, you're really still that susceptible to her charms? Where'd he get that popsicle? I've got this covered. Honey, can you help me?
Wait a second. Why am I so trusting? Coast looks clear.
As long as you've got something delicious to offer, you'll never get away from me. I'll be lurking in the shadows, waiting for that perfect moment when you least expect it. My precious.
I can't believe this.
So fruity and refreshing.
I think I know just how to deal with this food thief.
Really, Ben? I'm not falling for my own trick. Hey there, Mike. Feeling macho today?
Wow, what a hottie! I have to go up to her. Gods of Cola, be with me. Hey, wanna taste?
Sure.
I meant of me.
Ew! Hold your horses, buddy. Gross! I just wanted the soda.
Well, looks like one of us got what we wanted.
Pay close attention to this one, guys. Make sure you really pace yourselves and watch your breath.
Oh no, I think I'm gonna puke.
Whoa, Mike, that was quite a spectacle. Careful, don't choke on all that powdered sugar.
Oh man, it's stuck to my teeth and gums now. How am I gonna get this off?
We all have that one friend that loves calling us and talking and talking. They talk for so long that by the time you get off the phone with them, it's like you've aged a couple years.
I don't know how much longer I can take. Even my throat's dried out.
Yes, go grab that drink, Mikey, and make sure you take your sweet time. Wow, Mike looks absolutely beat. If I know anything about these girls, they're definitely taking advantage of this. Ta-da! It worked!
Where'd the table go?
It went the way of your attention span. Nice work, Ash and Kira. Jeez, Mike, that's some mess. Well, you better clean it up. Pour some water into a bucket, grab a broom, and get to cleaning every last bit of that sticky mess. Mike? Hey, come back! Ashley wants the whole world to see her new look. But something's just not lining up. Maybe this angle? I know. Mike, can you take a pic of me, please?
Sure, give it here. Oh yeah, that's a great angle. Now, change it up, girl. The camera loves you. Go, baby, go. Smile that beautiful smile of yours. Don't stop now. A little more. Okay, I think we're good. Check it out.
What? What is this? I look horrible. Belly rolls?
Ooh.
And a double chin? You're the worst photographer ever! It's blooper time! Hit that subscribe button so you always know when to come back and get your fill of fun and funny content. See you soon!